Create stunning flyers in ChatGPT using the DesignWiz AI Flyer Maker plugin. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access the plugin. First, open ChatGPT. From the main menu, click GPTs and search for AI Flyer Maker by DesignWiz. Select the plugin and click Start Chat. If you don't see it, make sure you're on ChatGPT+, plugins are enabled, and your connection is stable. Step 2. Generate your flyer design. Simply tell ChatGPT what kind of flyer you need. For example, I need a flyer menu for an American fast food restaurant. Click Allow if prompted, and the plugin will instantly generate a flyer with text, layout, and colors tailored for your needs. Type Yes to preview your flyers. Step 3. Customize the flyer. Want to make changes? Easy. Select the flyer you like, then click Customize this template. From here, you can update event details, try new colors, experiment with fonts, or adjust images. The editor is simple to use, and you'll see updates instantly. Step 4. Download and share. When your flyer looks perfect, download it in your preferred format, JPG, PNG, or print-ready PDF. And that's it. Try it today and start creating stunning flyers in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.